It's a big world out there, we can reach it, we can. Parents will get there if we know how we can.
Paring Ambo, what is happening to our barangay? Kulot is the third Carabao stolen from us this week.
We should put a stop to Carabao napping.
Yes, Mang Ambo. Kawawa naman si Joy. Mahal na mahal niya si Kulot. At kawawa naman si Kulot.
Kulot, bakit ka kinidnap? Sana sa Ingo na lang. No.
Joy, kalabaw yung kinidnap eh.
Ay, mali. Sorry, ah.
Oh, it's alright, Joy. We know how much Kulot means to you and your family. She works all day plowing your fields, so to lose Kulot is to lose a part of your family.
Yes.
No, stop crying.
Where is Kapitan? Let us start the meeting now. Baka si Karen na isunod nila.
Oh, Ingo, you really care for me. Oh.
Those Carabao nappers will not touch even your tail. I promise you, Karen.
Tawagin na yan si Kapitan ba?
Good morning.
This is a bad week for our barangay. But anyway, the police said they already have a suspect for the Carabao napping. That is why we're having a meeting now.
Oh dear, we should have order around here. Everyone should speak one at a time.
Ayan. Ay, konting katahimik ka naman, mga kaibigan.
Thank you, mga bo. Thank you.
Kapitan.
Friends, we are here to discuss what we should do about the Carabao napping. But before that, we should have rules for our meeting. Okay? Listen first! Ginagawa niyo naman palengke itong pulong natin eh. Wala tayong mapagkakasunduan hanggat sabay-sabay tayo nagsasalita. We should have rules for this meeting. First rule, be quiet. Excuse me. First rule, be quiet. Do we understand?
Yes, Kapitan.
Second rule, raise your hand when you want to speak.
What is it?
Wait a minute. We're still making the rules of this meeting. No more interruptions, please, friends. Third rule, speak only when chosen to speak by the chairperson. That's me. So that everybody will have a chance to speak. Fourth rule, listen to the one speaking. Fifth rule, say what you want to say clearly. Go direct to the point so that we will not waste time. Are we clear on the rules of this meeting? Yes, Ingo?
Thank you, Kapitan. I would like to add a sixth rule. Always be very courteous.
Now we can start and go ahead with this meeting. Yes, Mang Mandi?
I would like to respectfully suggest that the barangay tanods patrol the rice fields night and day.
Ha?
I therefore designate our 2 barangay tanods and all the men in our barangay to patrol the rice fields day and night.
Ano ginawa nila kay Kulot?
Oh, no, dear. No.
Joy, Buboy, Don, stop it. Crying will not solve anything.
That is what I am talking about. Let us be positive about this. Okay? Positive.
You are right, my friend. Let us do something positive.
Yes.
Let us start our own meeting.
Oh, very good.
Marco, what can we do? We are just
Children, we can help in our own small way. We should think of ways on how to help our barangay prevent Carabao napping.
Very good.
Kunin mo yung pana mo. Tapos, bantay-bantay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What is the first rule in a meeting?
Be quiet.
Yes.
Correct. Thank you.
Proceed.
I just want to remind everyone to always be very courteous.
Oh,
Huwag
tama yan.
tayong bastos, ha? We should respect other people's
Tama
right
yan.
to speak. All right. I am now open to any suggestion.
Meron ako.
Joy.
Let us have a curfew for all Carabaos. The Carabao should be brought near their owner's house before 6 in the evening.
Oo nga, tsaka di ba nung nawala si Kulot, gabi na?
Oo nga, no.
That is a good suggestion.
Very good.
That is why, Karen, you will not leave the ponduhan.
But
No, but. It is for your own good.
Okay.
Tama yun.
Next suggestion.
Ako, meron ako.
Boy, say what you want to say right away.
When we take our Carabaos to graze, we should be in groups.
That is another good suggestion. The Carabao nappers will think twice because there are so many of us.
Yes.
And we should report suspicious...
Hep. The second rule is...
Nakakainis naman, Ingo. I always raise my hands, but you do not pick me to speak.
Rule number 3. Rule number 3. Speak only when the chairperson, that is me, says so.
But...
Rule number 6. Always be very courteous. Are you courteous?
Hindi.
Are you polite?
Hindi.
Are you patient?
Hindi.
You will be given time to speak. All right?
I'm sorry. I am sorry, everyone.
All right? You can speak now.
We should report suspicious people roaming in the barangay.
All right? Pablo has something to say again.
And also, is there another sorbitero in the barangay? Huh?
Well, Mang Tibor is our sorbetero. Oops. Nagutom ako dun,
Go.
Why do you ask?
Because 2 hours ago, I saw a sorbitero that is not Mang Tibor.
Ingo. Suspicious person? Stranger?
This is it. He might be...
The Carabao Napper! Iko and 2 friends are having a meeting to decide what to plant in their garden plot.
Follow the rules of a meeting so that there will be order in the proceedings. Be quiet. Raise your hands when you want to speak. Speak only when the chairperson says so that everyone will have a chance to say what he or she wants to say. Do not waste time. Go direct to the point. Say what you want to say clearly. Listen carefully to the one speaking.
I suggest that we plant pechay.
And be courteous. Always respect one another.
Huwag kayo magpapalata.
Sorbetes! Sorbetes! Mga bata! Sorbetes kayo dyan! Oh! Mga bata, sorbetes! Hindi kayo. Libre na ang sorbetes. Kasi hapon na eh. Baka matunaw pa to. Pero teka, pagkatapos ng kumuha, uwi agad kayo ha? Because there are many Carabao nappers moving about.
Ang daming flavor mo, sarap.
Pablo!
Wow, sarap.
What is that bulging at his waist?
Sarap.
Balin!
Excuse me, Mamang Sorbetero. Thank you for your free ice cream, but we have to go now. It is time for their dinner. They might ruin their appetite.
Okay.
Ingo, it's not yet dinner time.
It is. Let us go. But I am the chairperson. Remember? And I said, let us go. Mamang Sorbetero, thank you very much. We will see you again sa kulungan.
I will be here again tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.
By the way, be very careful. Please go home now and stay inside your house. Okay?
Okay, we will do that.
Why did you do that, Ingo? The ice cream is free.
Free. All you can think of is ice cream. Did you see the bulge at his waist?
What is it?
Baril!
Baril!
What is the first rule? what is the first rule of a meeting? Be quiet. Shh. Yes, Don.
Come on, let us report him to the barangay tanod.
I am the barangay tanod. Humingi tayo ng tulong sa barangay tanod. Help!
Let us be cautious. Ingat lang.
Excuse me, mga subitero. Ngayon lang po namin kayo nakita rito, ha. Maaari po ba kayong magpakilala?
Toy, please do not bother me. Okay?
Look for any identification.
Boss?
Hindi na po. Kakapkapan lang po namin kayo sandali.
Itiwan niyo ako!
Hindi na po.
Itiwan niyo ako! Pulis ako!
Hindi na po to.
Dali lang ako.
Hindi na po to.
Pulis nga!
Wait. What if he's a fake police?
Oh, ito ang katibayan, no?
Bitiwan niyo siya. I know him. He's a policeman working as an undercover agent.
I thought you informed the barangay captain about me.
We did, but not the children.
Excuse me. We are very sorry, Mr. Policeman, undercover agent. You look so suspicious, so we agreed to report you to the barangay.
It's all right. You did a good job. I would have done the same thing.
Ayun pala si Kapitan, eh.
Etong magnanakaw. Huling-huli namin hinahatak ang kalabaw ni Tikyo. Dali niyo na.
Let's take him to the police station.
Children, what are you doing here? It's late. You go home.
Salamat, Kapitan.
Salamat,
Kapitan. Ay. At least we were courteous with Mamang Sorbetero, Mr. Policeman, undercover agent.
Buti na lang.
Karen? Si Karen? Curfew! Let us go home! Curfew!
The police said there might be some Carabao nappers still roaming around our barangay.
Yes. That is why, Karen, I should be alert at all times. No one will take you away from me, Karen.
I can believe that.
It's going to be a long night watching out for the Carabao nappers.
You cannot sleep. Aha! I have a solution to that. All right. Barangay Tanods, the meeting will please come to order.
Order? Can I please make my order? Pakanin ng salabat, please?